Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos on find and replace, and I'm going to take it to the next step. So I've got these circles drawn, ellipses, and I've got some 3-inch circles, and I've got some 2-inch circles, and then I've got some 3-inch curves. They're not ellipses anymore. I want to select, and if these were all over your page, and you wanted to change them, this is the easiest way to do it. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Begin New Search, Find Ellipses, and then right here, Specify Properties. And right here, we want to find, and you don't have to put both of them because it's a 3-inch by 3-inch circle. And then just hit Next, Finish, Find All, X out, and then you could turn all those ellipses to red. You could fill them in, you can delete them, and you haven't touched anything else. You can group them together with Control G or Group Object. You can do a lot of things with this. Now, so that's finding ellipses of different sizes. And that worked rather well, but it didn't find these 3-inch curves. So just go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, Begin New Search. We want to find curves. Hit Next. Specify curves. I want to find with number of nodes exactly 2 nodes. Hit OK. Next. Finish, Find All, and watch this. It found the ellipses with only 2 nodes. These have 4 nodes. I manipulated them, and you can see the nodes right there. There's 4. Get the shape tool, and you can definitely see. Now these aren't perfectly ellipses because there's 2 nodes. I've taken away 2 of the nodes, but they're still 3 inches by 3 inches, but they are a little bit not perfectly round anymore. So you can use this find and replace and search for different amounts of nodes. You know, if you had a bunch of stuff and you wanted to look at everything with 4 nodes, Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Begin New Search. Curves, they're a curve. I turn them into a curve. Specify number of curves exactly. I want 4. Next, finish, find all, X out, and now it just found the 4 nodes in the curve. And I'm not ever going to say you're going to look for circles or ellipses with nodes. But there's a lot of times in your searches you might know something that you have a lot of that has a certain amount of nodes. And that'd be a good way to search them and replace. And then the reason it's called find and replace because you could actually do what I did here and make them red or make them, you know, color filled or whatever you want to do. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.